Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to cook an egg, specifically Gordon Ramsay's perfect scrambled eggs. First, gather your ingredients: 3 cold eggs, a generous knob of butter, and a splash of creme fraiche. You'll also need a non-stick pan, a rubber spatula, and a small bowl. Having everything ready ensures a smooth cooking process. This method yields incredibly creamy and delicious results every time. Now, let's get cooking. Crack 3 cold eggs directly into a cold non-stick pan. Add a generous knob of cold butter right into the pan with the eggs. Place the pan over medium-high heat. The key here is to stir constantly with your rubber spatula, ensuring the eggs cook evenly and slowly. This initial stage is crucial for achieving that signature creamy texture. This is where the magic happens for creamy eggs. As the eggs begin to set, remove the pan from the heat for about 10 seconds, stirring continuously. Repeat this off-heat stirring process 3 times in total. This technique prevents overcooking and creates a luxurious texture. Just before serving, stir in a small teaspoon of creme fraiche or a splash of cream for extra richness. Finally, it's time to season and serve your perfect scrambled eggs. Season with a pinch of salt and a grind of black pepper right before plating. Avoid seasoning too early, as salt can draw out moisture and make the eggs watery. Serve these incredibly creamy eggs immediately on a piece of toasted sourdough or with your preferred breakfast sides. Enjoy your restaurant-quality breakfast.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.